So first of all, good morning, everybody. Good morning, sir. And as you know that it's a Sunday, and you guys were excited to speak today, right? That's why I'm going to conduct such a group discussion here. And the topic, as ma'am mentioned over there, the topic is: should girls do job after marriage or not? This is the topic. So first of all, I'm going to tell you guys now group discussion has been started, and you guys are going to support the topic, right? And they guys are against it. Okay, the clear? So first of all, I'm just going to tell you guys have to give your opinion about the topic. How much experience you have, because you have been preparing the topic for 1 week. So today you guys are going to speak about this topic. Because the topic I mentioned actually last week on Sunday, that you guys will come here against on Sunday. That's why you are here. So I'm going.
Hello everyone, my name is Prachi Singh and today I am supporting girls should do a job after marriage.
Hello guys, good morning and myself Khushi Sharma. Today I'm gonna support topic should girls job do after marriage.
Hello guys, my name Mohammad Adil Ansari. I am supporting should girls do job after marriage and
Hello, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss about should girls do job after marriage or not.
Good morning, guys. My name is Yushin Verma, and I am here to support a topic: girls should do marriage after.
Good morning, guys. My name is Mohammad Zaid. Good morning, guys. My name is Mohammad Zaid, and I am today I am gonna support girls should do job after marriage.
Good morning everybody. My name is Janvi and today I am against should girls do job after marriage.
Good morning everyone. I against the job or should I against the topic should girl do job after marriage.
Hello everyone, I am Shailesh. Today we are here for a group discussion, and today I am against that girls should do job after marriage.
Hello, my name is Waliur Rahman. Today I am here. I am going to talk about should girl do job after marriage or not.
Okay, thank you so much guys, because I share your enthusiasm to speak over here. So first of all, as India said that ki girls like ladies are first. So we are going to start from Prachi. So Prachi, what's your opinion about the topic? Please, you can start.
I think do job after marriage or not, it totally upon girls, what girls thinks, and after marriage I think girls should definitely do a job, because by getting job there is girls self confidence increase, and by their personal fulfillment. If girl is doing job, the society give up next respect to the girls, and after marriage there are so many conflicts in the family by husband and by in-laws. In future, suppose the husband leave the wife, then wife should be independent. Yeah, that's it.
So I am agree with you, but I think if your husband is supporting, then you should focus on family nourishment and your child nourishment, because if you do job after marriage and you have a child, suppose you have a child in your home, then it is very important for a child to get nurtured by her mother, because mother is the most important person that a child have. So I think you should focus on child nourishment and family nourishment instead of pursuing a job.
I think the child is both responsibility, husband and wife. It is not totally upon wife.
Yeah, I agree with you that it's both responsibility to nourish a child. But I already mentioned that for the child, it is the mother is the most important person who can nourish better than a father.
Sir, I'm totally agree with your point of view, but according to mine, I think that sir, girls do after marriage job, but because it's important for them, and I think that when she doing a job in somewhere, in anywhere, then she finds more respect. And according to you, sir, say that mother is important for child. I agree with that. And when she has a child, then she can take a break for that time, and she has to care for his baby, and that's all.
To bring a child and to nourish a child, it's a full-time commitment. And if a woman should do job, then how she can handle all the things? Because if a lady works whole day from morning to evening, then it's unable for her to nourish a child, because she is also a human being and not a machine. So in my opinion, she also take a rest in her life. So in my opinion, girls should not do job after marriage.
After marriage, girls should do job. For if a girl will do job, then for her children she will be a role model for them, and it is a nice point for a girl should do job. This is my point.
After marriage, girls cannot maintain equilibrium between with her job and family. How can maintain?
I think a girl have multi-talented and she have a multi-talent in her, and I think when she properly should 100% should give 100% to his home and his family, then she also can handle everything.
I am not questioning the ability of a woman that she is not a multi-talented, but I think for a child it is most important to have a mother whole the day when he or she is about only 1 or 2 year old, and it is the mother who teach him from childhood everything, and no one can replace the mother for a child.
I want to tell you the topic is should girl do job after marriage or not. So here is, I think, no including child. If including child, so child also a child also make her learn, like child should hard working in future also to learn his mother. So girls should do job after marriage.
Sir, just like you say that ki girls should do job after marriage, if both parents were doing job, then how from whom children learn all the things? Who tell her children's good manners, what is good or bad, what is a good habits, what is a bad habits, what is a good touch or bad touch? If nobody tells her, that type of children become a different levels, go on a different level. Sometimes they follow different girls. So many cases we can say, just like a rape, kidnapping, theft, murder. This type of cases happens because of this, because no one care these type of children from his childhood. So in my opinion, girls should not do job. She firstly she take care of her children. She should learn her children good habits. So in my opinion, girls should not do job after marriage.
Yeah.
Suppose there is a girl working after marriage, and after that his children is going to school to 9 to 2, and between the time a girl can do job. There is a lot of part-time jobs there are, so they can work there. And if you are telling that ki if who will teach all the things to the children. So for that, for teaching purpose, there is a lot of teaching institutes and schools for that. So if a boy or girl they are going to school, so they can learn so many things from there.
I think working woman is more prone to abuses, both physical. I think working woman is more prone to both physical and mental abuse. If it is a physical environment in professional life, I think it could be physically abused, but on mobile that in today's arena people are working in a home, working on home. I think it could lead to a mental abuse by cyber crimes, by cases like deepfakes. They are hampering the security of a woman, and I think women should more go for their nourishment, and it is not it is not good to say that women are only made for the home environment, but I have sir has allotted me topic, that's why I am asking. I'm telling you.
I agree that there is harassment in the society, but there is also harassment in house, like domestic violence. And in our culture, woman is known as Shakti. You know that? Yeah, because the Shakti, given the word Shakti means woman can manage all the works, like caring of their baby and also doing jobs. And the father provide education to the girls. There is very high education, and she invests a lot of money. The parents invest a lot of money to their girls to become educated. And if girls not doing job after marriage, then what is the use of the education that father provided? Yeah, only husband is earning and girl is not earning. In our market, the information increases day by day. If both are earning money, then the house goes very good.
What is the means of education if she doesn't work? Then I think her education is not wasted, because she can use that education to nurture her family and his child. For example, if someone has studied like pharmacy, then she can treat her family in a time of need. She doesn't need to go to doctor. So, and like if someone has studied for his bachelor of education, then she can teach her child, and in the family anyone, she can teach to anyone. And like you say, for inflation purpose, then if you are financially good to some extent, then I don't think money is everything. It is up to you that how can you manage that things.
Sir, I think when a girl doing his graduation and post graduation, and he doing in his graduation BTech or any other degree, and she has a good opportunity for doing a job in software company, and she has a more of talent and more of knowledge, then what she can do? She stand for their family. And I am not said that she don't have to waste their time, and I'm not said that there is a wasting of time when she is spending more time with his family. But I want to say that when she has a more of knowledge, more of talent, and she can do job in any software company with a good opportunity, then she have to do or not.
Ma'am, I'm not agree with your opinion that if girls are educated, if any girl is educated, if she has a knowledge, then it's not, if she is doing job, then we can say that she is educated. It's not a point. If any girl is educated, then then she can manage her home very easily. She can take a good decision for her family, and this way she can run her home very easily. And second point, that if any girl is educated, then she can teach her children very well, because children are the future of our nation. So if she give her children's good knowledge, then children become a good person. So in this way, her knowledge will not be going worthless. So in my opinion, girls can do many things because of her knowledge. Thank you.
For you, can you tell me what's the timing when she doing a job?
In morning to evening, 7 to 8 hours.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when she has a child and I don't know she or her, he or she, but when he has a child and he also going to school, and school timing is also 7 to 2, morning 7 a.m. to p.m. And she also have a job for morning to evening, and she also have a lots of time, and she came back to her home. After that, she also can tell the student or good things or a bad things or all the nature things. That's all.
You said that child will go to school. In that time, women can pursue her job. But what about when the child is about 1 to 5 years? Because I don't think he or she will go to school at that time, and it is the most important time for a mother to nourish her child. So when his child is born, then does she leave the job?
Sir, as well as I said that when girls have lots of talent and lots of knowledge, they can work another country and on anywhere. But when she has a talent, I'm not said that girls have not a talent. Every girls have their own talent. And now I want to tell that, sir, when her child is a baby in 1 to 2 years or 5 years, and she can take break for that time, and when she thinks that he is a mature or she is a mature, then she can told them that how you can spend your life, and I will come, and that's not a big thing, sir.
Speak. Because it's not only a mother's responsibility to nourish her child, to take care of her child. It's her choice to do this, because she wants to make her children better. That's why she is doing everything from childhood to her success. And a mother is the basis of a family. A mother is the basis of a nation. A mother is the basis of her children. So in this way, if she do more care of the children, so our future will be bright. So
if we talk about 1 to 5 years, so there are a lot of caretakers that can take care of your children, and after that you will come after as I said that you can do a part-time job, and after that when you will reach the home, so you can teach them about whatever you want to teach. And doing a job cannot stop you to doing good for your children. And if you are talking like that ki you should not do job, so if you are teaching your child, so what do you expect from them? If you are teaching a child, so what do you expect from them?
Both the parents of a child working, they will not give a accurate and a good environment for the child. It will be more or less a game for a child, that anyone other is serving his child, and he can mislead him or can take him on the wrong path. This will reduce the future of the child, and it can also not good for the family also. And I think family have to give children a good environment to survive on the earth, because of the society is not so good. Society is continuously putting pressure on the child about marks, about the conditions of their family, and I think that's it.
Of our country, girls is also future of our country. Many girls who lives in the society where education doesn't give so many importance and they only do household works. If girls become doctor, engineer and in police line like IS, PCS, the girls should be motivated by that girls. And the power of education is very great in our society, and they know the power of education. That I also become the doctor, engineer and so many things by seeing that girls. And if a girl is doing a job and after marriage she has a baby, then she become a role model for their children, that a woman can do so many things. And for
If there is no family, then there is no child and no need of job, I think.
Our society provides equally to men or women. And second thing, that fear, according to Dev sir, we cannot say that fear of world, we girls shouldn't move anywhere and shouldn't do any type of job. And third thing, that's like as a baby, according to you, that you said that for baby nourishment mother important, and I think that like as a hero, his father hero for his baby, and also mother like as a superhero for his baby. And I think that sir, when a mother can do job and mother can do job anywhere in any post or engineering, doctor or police, that was a biggest example for his baby.
Maternity leave, what ma'am has talked about, is only for 6 months, and it cannot give a better 6 months is what? 6 months is nothing for our child. It is like it is more beneficial for a child that his mother can give him a 10 to 12 year or 14 year environment, better environment, that he should work on his child, because childs are a vacuum, his minds are vacuum, and mothers and their mother and their father fill the vacuum by his manners, by his abilities, and make them and make his or her child a good potential child, which could be better for the society, which could be better for the country, and which could be better for the nation, whole world all.
Talking about this topic, and I think you all guys talking about child, not this topic. So if I want to tell you, the topic is that should girls do job after marriage or not? So there is girls on life, not child life. So if you want to give some words about topic, so you should share your point, like favor of girls and against of girls, not child. So 1 minute, ma'am. So if I tell about my opinion, so I think there is some needs of financial also, because if you want to serve your good things to your child, so you will have to take some financial support from anywhere. But if the girl's husband is the girl's husband salary like 10,000 and 15,000 like that, so how to serve, how to live your life also. So if girls wants to do job, so it's good for us, it's good for theirs. Yes.